In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add properties to a page on Notion. Notion is a versatile tool that serves as a hub for brainstorming, planning, and organizing all your tasks and projects. By learning how to add properties to a page, you'll be able to take your organization skills to the next level, customizing your workspace to suit any complex needs you might have. Let's dive in. First, open the Notion app and navigate to the page you want to add properties to. This could be an existing page where you keep track of projects, or a brand new page that you're setting up as an onboarding hub. With the page open, look at the top of the screen. You'll see an area labeled Add a Property. This is your gateway to a myriad of options. Click on the Add a Property button. A drop-down menu will appear, showcasing various property types you can choose from, such as text, number, select, multi-select, date, checkbox, URL, email, and phone. This allows you to tailor your Notion page to handle any type of data you need. For example, if you're managing a project and need to track whether tasks are complete, you could select the checkbox property. Or, if you need to categorize content, the select or multi-select options would be ideal. Choose the property type that best suits what you're aiming to do and click on it. Once you've selected your property type, you'll be prompted to give this property a name. Naming is key, as it should clearly define the purpose or content of what this property will track. A well-thought-out name could be due date if you're setting up a deadline tracker, or priority level if you're gauging the importance of tasks. Type in the name and hit enter to confirm. If you chose select or multi-select properties, you can also customize them by adding options. Simply click on Add an Option under your newly added property and type in each of the categories or tags you might want to use. Press enter to create each option, and feel free to use colors to differentiate them visually. You've now set up your property, but let's say you want to adjust its order or visibility. You can easily rearrange properties by clicking and dragging them to your preferred position. If you have multiple properties and wish some to be hidden temporarily, click on the ellipsis icon next to the Add a Property button and go to the Properties menu. Toggle the switches to show or hide any property you have set up. With everything configured, your Notion page is now enhanced with these tailored properties, making it much more efficient and functional. This customization will enable you and your team to streamline your workflow, ensuring critical information is readily visible and managed. That's it for today's video on adding properties to a page on Notion. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Feel free to experiment with different property types until you find the setup that works best for you. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing!